Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. A Catholic nun saw a thief climbing on the roof of a charity community center. The thief was trying to steal their copper pipes. The nun threw down the ladder, trapping the thief on the roof. The thief jumped down from the roof to escape, and the nun gave him a good finger wag when he left.
Learn about in school.
Martin Luther King Jr.
Martin Luther King Jr. What'd he do?
He died for his sins.
No, that was.
Why does the door on this train sound exactly like the snoring meme sound effect? The student
So. So wirklich sehr ähnlich. Halbe Neon.
The student was caught trying to change everyone's grades while the teacher was away.
What are you doing in my grade? What are you doing in my grade book? You are gone.
So this is pretty cool. Superman was able to stop the train and save the day.
Oh, Junge, ey.
So instead of paying $5.60.
No, instead of paying $6.60, I paid $5.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So $1.60 you saved.
Yes.
I'd have given you $1.60 to
Wrong Wayne, Dankeschön für ein halbes Jahr. Paco Hunters hat eine Umfrage vorgeschlagen von 9 Minuten.
This person started recording because they saw that this guy was being creepy with this woman. A cleaner noticed the situation and decided to help out. A photographer captured the moment a moose lost their antlers. This is incredibly rare and lucky because moose grow and lose their antlers once a year.
Was? Gleich? Okay, what? Das. Ich dachte, die bleiben einfach.
Grow and lose their antlers once a year. I never
Alter, ey.
thought about it before, but I guess there's millions or billions of people that have never seen a snowflake up close.
Nice.
I think this guy might have the greatest gaming setup of all time.
Yo, den habe ich. Warte, war das? Nee. Boah, sieht schon krass aus. Warum ist der hier warum nicht weiß? Okay, egal.
I know I shouldn't be surprised, but yes, France actually does have baguette vending machines.
Das erinnert mich an ein Video, was ich mal gesehen habe. Ich hoffe, ich habe es irgendwie... warte mal, wo war das? Scheiße. Suchen. Okay, auf TikTok nach Videos suchen. Oh, schade. Okay, passiert nix. Nee, passiert nix. Ich find's nicht.
So this is pretty cool. There's a type of sea urchin that glows a bright orange color. That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
Ah, Faxe.